Eating, yeah. Okay. Passing out sandwiches. Wait, it's okay. Hi, Cinderella. Okay, wait a minute, because I'm going to give you a dress. Just a week. Everybody get a sandwich? Okay. Now there's some more, right? You guys want 2 sandwiches? Duha?
Linya ka tuloy. Linya. Gaan mo usap. Duka. Biabir ako bilin, pabilin. Ari dai ako daw ka na ko kay ito. Balik.
How much? 12, okay. Is he fixing it?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, it's fixed. Oh, he's waiting for the money? Where is he, Asa? Okay. What was wrong? You need a fuse? Huh? Oh, loose connection? Oh. Okay. Okay, everybody got a sandwich. Are that all the sandwiches? There's more? You want one, Bing? You want to give... Where's Marjorie? Did Marjorie get one? You want 2? How about the mom? You want a sandwich too? You? Here, give the moms a sandwich. How are you? Oh, you better hurry. Hurry. Hey, what's her name again, this one?
Marilyn.
Come to church Sunday. No. Yes. Come to church. Because walay tao in the Simba over Pasko and New Year's, no tao. Everybody's hubog. Okay, hang on a minute. Hang on, because I've got some clothes in there. I'm gonna bring them out here, okay? That's all? Oh. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna get some clothes, okay?